A simple push on the door stopper adds convenience to daily lives. Here is the one-touch semi-automatic door stopper of Cheong-gu Metal. As the competitive advantage of Cheong-gu Metal, doors can be fastened by pressing it lightly. Unlike ordinary products, the door stopper can be lifted up smoothly using the pedal without stooping down to handle it. And the durability has been proven through hundreds of thousands of operation tests for prolonged use without breakdown. Moreover, the door stopper's bottom rubber is a registered utility model, which has been developed in a three-dimensional curved structure for excellent performance to prevent slippage on floors in various conditions. In addition, the noise prevention function of the upper pad of the pedal and the height of the lower supporting rubber are adjustable. Simple and modern designs fits well with any door. We've expanded our choices to various colors and sizes. How is the production process of the mentioned door stoppers? The technology development team directly structures and shapes the door stopper of Cheong-gu Metal for the production line. Based on the know-how, defect improvement to complement shortcomings of existing products are initiated at the development stage as the efforts for differentiated products. The utility model registration and design registration were completed in 2015 as a result of the acknowledgement for such efforts. After laying out and designing, the goods in process move through the automated equipment facility to minimize the defect rate, being scrutinized to prevent any additional flaw. Then, the finished products can be released at last. All the processes are managed in the ERP system synthetically and comprehensively to enable stable and reliable production. Although the door stopper is tiny and straightforward, it still brings added ease and comfort to everyday routines. Cheong-gu Metal will prepare and cultivate the future for convenient living, exerting constant technology development and earnest efforts to fabricate differentiated products. Thank you so much.